All right, guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you the power of using AI and RPA at the same time. For this task, basically what we're trying to do is clean the titles from this vendor so we can post them up on our store and they look nice. They're SEO friendly. As you can see right now, titles are very long and they're very confusing, and quite frankly, they're pretty ugly. So manually, we used to go one by one, copy this, use Gemini, which is Google's AI, and ask Gemini to give me a SEO product. This would be our prompt, and then we would get back this title, description, URL handle. Meta description would be down here, and the URL handle, and that way we'd be done, and then that way we continue on the list. We go back to the next one, and the next one we would do that thing. But now with the RPAs, I can do this automatically and hands off. So now the software can do it for me, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Before that, I just want to get the stopwatch. All right, I'm going to start it, and I will come back. I'm going to go away for a second. I'm going to let it finish. It's about to do like 50 of those. I believe that list has 50, but let's just go through the first one. As you can see, it's going to log into Gemini. It's going to write our prompt. It's then going to copy and paste that data where we need it to go. And then it's going to go into the next one. And it's going to go down the list. So we'll let it play out. I'm going to be gone for a little bit. I'll come back whenever it's done, and then we can talk a little bit more about it. All right, guys, it's coming to an end. Pretty cool. Think about that. I just saved myself what's about to be 25 minutes, looks like. I think it's at the last one. Let's see where it's at. Almost at the last one. But as you can see, I mean, the math, doesn't get any better, right? If you have projects like this that are in bulk and in volume, this is the perfect way to leverage, right? Talk about leveraging your time, right? Within the same 24 minutes, think about some other task that unfortunately cannot be AI or RPA, right? Something that you need your brain to be working on, the creative side, right? The fantasy side of your brain. You can use that 24 minutes, 25 minutes now to work on that while this is working on this. I mean, you tell me, right? It's almost like magic. This is the future, guys. It really is. If you're not using this and if you're not going to be using it anytime soon, I mean, I'll run laps around you, basically. That's just what it is. Let's see where, I think it's almost done. I'll come back whenever it's fully done. All right, basically it is done. This is the last one that it's going to do, and then I'm going to pause it because it's not going to find anything else after that. Since it's the last one on the list, I am going to pause here. As you can see, this was running the whole time, and basically this is the scenario. Obviously, this took a little bit to set up. It's not as easy as the other ones that we've shown. A little bit more complex since you're using both AI and the RPA to go through. So these are one of the more complex ones, but it's not that complex, to be honest. There's more complex that we'll get into it, and they're pretty awesome. But this is a call to action that you should start looking into RPAs ASAP. I would say if you're doing more than $250,000 in revenue a year, I think you can afford this, and it will help you exponentially. All right, guys, we'll be talking about more RPAs, and we'll be doing more scenarios. I think the next scenario we might be doing is how to upload what you just did in bulk as fast as, a few minutes onto different platforms like eBay. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.